Hello designers and creatives, and welcome to my space. My name is Son of Man. So on this video we are going to be learning how to create BoomPlay logo, okay, using PixelLab. Okay, in case this is your first time viewing our channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share our video, and let others learn from our content too. We have dropped series of videos like this that will help you boost your creativity skills on logo design. So let's get started for this tutorial. So first of all, I need to get rid of this. Probably I'm going to turn this off and then bring out my sketch. So the first thing you need to do when you want to create a logo, I always say you have to make a sketch, right, and then put it here. Then after this you can just select your sketch and then go here and then reduce the opacity so you will see clearly what you're working on. Then after this, the next thing you need to do is to make use of your grid lines, okay, to make a perfect alignment of your sketch, right? So you watch me and see how I do that one now. So after this, now I'm going to start my vectorization. So I'm going to make sure I uncheck this and check my magnet, pick my BEIZER, and then set it up like I always do. If you have been watching my video tutorial, this won't be getting difficult for you. So now I'm going to pick my BEIZER and then start my vectorization. So you follow me up step by step and see how I was able to achieve that. Thank you. After this, I'm going to go and then reduce my stroke, and then here I'm going to add my color. Which is this. So here I think I've gotten the sketch right. So I can go ahead to reduce the opacity and then go here and then lock it. Okay, this is what we got. And after this, I'm going to pick my circle shape. And then I'm going to pick my square shape. So I can go and then group them together as one object, okay, and then I can make a copy of it, reduce it, okay. Then after this, I can go ahead and increase my opacity back again, and then here I'm going to go and group the three of them together as one object. Okay, then after that I'm going to go to my erase color. Okay, then tap on my erase color, and here it will automatically select white. If it didn't pick the color of white, then you can go to and tap here, okay, to select the color that you want to pick. Okay, and there is another way to do it here, that the place that they write number, which is 1. Okay, you can just tap on it, okay, and then select the color that you want to pick out of that place. So here I selected white, and then here white has been erased. So you can turn on the tolerance. I'm just showing you this, probably it's going to help you editing or whatever. So after this, now I think we have gotten what we are looking for. So this is our vectorization. So let me just turn it off, and then here this is our BoomPlay logo. All right, BoomPlay logo. So and this is how to achieve this on PixelLab, and there is nothing that you cannot create on PixelLab. Trust me, as far as logo design is concerned. This is why I'm creating this video tutorial, to help you get to know that your PixelLab is powerful enough to create any vector that you can imagine. So thank you guys for watching, and see you on my next video. Goodbye from here. Namaste.